Have you ever tried to enter a number on your phone, only to be frustrated by the keyboard showing letters and symbols instead? If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to filter a text input value in React Native to only accept numeric input. I totally get it. It's super annoying when you want to input just numbers, but your keyboard keeps throwing in unwanted characters. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face this issue when working with text input in React Native. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, is there any way to filter the text input's value before it is displayed? They mentioned that while iOS has a number pad, Android's numeric keyboard still allows for non-numeric characters. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what's the issue here? The problem arises because even though you can set the keyboard type, it doesn't prevent unwanted characters from being entered, especially with hardware keyboards. This can lead to a frustrating user experience. And stick around. I have a great solution that will help you filter input effectively, and a bonus tip at the end that you won't want to miss. To filter the text input value before it is displayed, the user can utilize the onChangeText prop effectively. This allows them to intercept the input as it is being typed. Next, the user should create a function called handleInputChange. This function will filter out any non-numeric characters from the input. Now, the user should ensure that the text input's value is controlled by the state. This means they need to set the value prop of the text input to the state variable that holds the filtered value. Finally, the user can test the implementation. They should type into the text input and observe that only numeric values are displayed, without any brief flashes of unwanted characters. Fun fact, did you know that the first mobile phones had physical keyboards? Imagine trying to type numbers on those tiny buttons. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution is to accept extra characters on Android. When submitting the form, you can transform the input from the text field before sending it to the server. This way, you avoid displaying unwanted characters during input. Here's the bonus tip. Always validate user input on both the client and server sides. This ensures that even if something slips through, your application remains secure and functional. And there you have it. You now know how to filter text input values effectively in React Native. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips, and remember to share your experiences in the comments below.